Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to find a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor. A QuickBooks Pro Advisor is a certified accounting professional trained to help you set up, manage, and optimize QuickBooks. Let's get into the video. So the steps to find one, the first is to go to the official Find a Pro Advisor website. The website is right there on the screen. You can copy that and you can type that down and go to the site. Now, the next step is to enter your location, your city, state, or zip code. You're going to need to input these, and then you can use the filter to choose industry expertise, QuickBooks product specialization, could be online or desktop, etc., and certifications, advanced, payroll, etc. Now, the fourth step is to browse profiles and check for experience and years certified, client reviews and ratings, as well as languages spoken. Once you're done with that, click contact to send a message, or you can choose to call directly. Now, pro tip is to choose a pro advisor who specializes in your QuickBooks version and your type of business for the best results. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.